Welcome to Miami. I'm Brian, and this is Audrey, and we are here to do a sneaker review on the UNC to Chicago OG Retro Jordan 1s. A really cool pair of sneakers. I just got them last week, so we're not going to do any type of unboxing because I already laced them up, tried them on.
And he's been wearing them.
Yeah, I already wore them once or twice, so we're just going to give a quick review on these. And then we're going to do a comparison in a separate video to the lows because I just got the lows also. These are a really cool pair of sneakers. I would say that this leather quality is one of the best of the Jordan 1s that I've seen recently. It is way better than some of the other ones. This leather is just super, super soft. You have the red toe, black mudguard. You got the powder blue swoosh, and then you got the back, which is also the blue. So it's a really good colorway. A white midsole. You got the red bottom, and just an overall sort of solid sneaker. Just put it right like that. These are a women's sneaker, happened to go up in sizes so that I'm able to wear them as well. What are your thoughts on these? If you, as a female, to wear them, do you like them? Would you rock them? And then second, if you got into an elevator, guys got these on, are you impressed? Is the guy paying attention to his shoes? What's the woman's perspective?
Yeah, I mean, I prefer the lows a little bit more personally. I think the high tops are great though. And I just like this shoe. I think it's very simple but different. The colors are nice. The blue really, really pops, which I really like that. And yeah, I like them. I just like them.
They're good, right?
Yeah, they're a solid shoe, and I think they're an affordable shoe.
Yeah, right now I think these retail for $170. I picked them up on StockX for about $120. So with fees, it was probably about $140, $145. So you probably saved about $35, $40 off of retail, which is great.
Yeah.
I think for that price and for the quality of leather.
Yeah.
And then I just think over time, a lot of these colorways end up going up in value because there's nothing similar. People wear them, use them, and the people that love them are going to want them again.
Yeah, and I think another thing with these shoes is like it's just a very wearable shoe. Like the shoe will get worn, like it's not one of those shoes that you stare at in your closet and you're like, what am I going to do with this? It's just like, you can throw these on with anything, literally.
Yeah, that's a great point. I mean, they go red, blue, black, white. So you can basically throw them on. They're going to go with so many different outfits.
Right. Let's say you have a pair of pants that hang in the back, you're just giving a peek of the blue and you can really show off more of the red if you don't like. It's just great. I think it's a very wearable shoe.
Yeah, if you wear it with joggers, then you're showing the whole shoe off.
Yeah.
And the other cool part, they look really nice and they got some OG, an OG sort of colorway. And then but they're not $500 sneakers, no. So it's on a rainy day or a day where the weather is not perfect. You can throw them on. You can throw them on in the gym. Yeah. You're not worried about them. You're not trying to make them perfect and save them because they're just a good everyday sneaker.
Yeah, you can wear these and you can enjoy these, and I think that's also why I like them so much.
Yeah, and then I'm lucky. I did this with the low top version, but I am able to rock these because they go really well with my logo, so I'm sort of lucky. And just, I think, a really good overall solid sneaker,
Yeah. What are you rating it?
I am probably going to give this sneaker, probably about a 7.5, 8. I don't think I can go higher.
I'll go 7.5.
Yeah, they're not my favorite, but they're also a pretty good sneaker. And so they definitely break into the rotation because I think the colorway is cool, but they're not one of the ones that I'm out of all the sneakers I have. It's not in my top 10, it's not in my top 20, but I'm definitely wearing them. Don't you think?
Yeah. I give these 7.5 and I give the lows an 8, and that's that.
All right. We will catch you at the next episode.